Hello, my name is Simon. Welcome to Kent High Performance Cars, where we are proud to offer this unique 1987 Ferrari 328 GTS, presented in traditional Rosso Corsa with tan leather and Bordeaux carpets. One of only 250 right-hand drive Pre ABS cars ever to be built. This has to be one of the lowest mileage 328s in the country, covering only 5,600 miles from new. Supplied new by Modena in February 1987, known to us since 1992, where we've completed over 25 services. The car comes complete with original tool roll and all its book packs and original tools. She benefits from having a recent service in September 2021 with a new set of Michelin Pilot Sport tyres, which were only changed due to their age, not their wear, and the original tyres are available with the car. Looking inside the car, as you would expect, the car is totally and utterly immaculate. It's like getting into a new Ferrari 328 GTS. If I can answer any other questions or you'd like to view the vehicle, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Telephone number here is 01622 759 599. Many thanks for your time.